Public debt. The debt of the Republic of Texas at its start was about 1.25 million, and at the end it was about 12.4 million. Houston and Jones attempted to cut spending to control the debt. Lamar expanded military spending and thus the debt. The currency of the Republic of Texas devalued under both Houston and Lamar. After annexation, the U.S. paid Texas $10 million towards this debt in exchange for the disputed Texas territory that is now parts of New Mexico and Colorado. So these are the Texas Redbacks, right? We talked about those, how they issued them out to try to pay back people, but the value was severely uh, lowered because it wasn't backed by any gold or anything. So again, Houston and Jones kind of similar views. Lamar different. Houston and Jones wanted to cut spending to control the debt. Lamar wanted to spend money to make money.